You know, I never really grabbed the camera and talk to it as I should. And I mean, it all takes practice. No one's born with the ability to do certain stuff, you know? And I want to try. I want to try and be more consistent, but no more excuses. I will be trying to upload almost, not every day, but weekly. Thrifting. Thrifting wasn't as big while growing up as it is now. Now it's like a big deal. Nadie te decía, ira, me compré esta en la God, güey. Now, pues ahora te dicen dónde, cuánto, which is kind of crazy because the prices also went up. Oh shit. Hey yo, this is actually kind of fire. The old Milwaukee logo too. For what, like $7? That's not bad. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff you just gotta love, bro, you know? Aquí desde chiquillo, this is my favorite area. I didn't have to worry about clothes, nothing. All I had to worry was about toys. También aquí venden bolsas Louis Vuitton. ¿Qué crees que qué? Yeah, there's a Michael Kors. Prada, Versace. Tienen de todo, bro. So I actually did end up getting it. $8 on this. I was actually kind of looking for something similar like this. I found it. We're gonna go to another one and see what we find there. We are trying to make it to the west side on time because I didn't realize they actually close at 8. We are now at the second location. Bruh. ¿Qué dijiste? No me hables así. Que me emociono. What are you doing? That's kind of vintage. No. Another one. Another one. Another one. Nah, that was it. Can't find anything. There's some stuff, but like it's not something like catches your attention, you know? Something not vintage, bro. Oh, hey, this is actually kind of fire. It's not vintage, but it's rip and dip. $8. I'm definitely taking this. It's a medium, but it looks small. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I would take this though, but it's kind of small. I mean, this is vintage, but I wouldn't wear that. I didn't really find much. I mean, this isn't vintage, but it's definitely a good find. I like the fuzzy part too. It is definitely a good cop. Vamos a comer tacos allá del Pastorcito? Or what's that one food truck?
Yo quiero de asada.
¿Cuántos dos?
Yeah. Con puro cilantro y limón.
Alright. Ya llegó los tacos, ya llegó los tacos.
No, con verde.
Yeah, bro.
Te rogué.
What did you just say? Imagine living where?
There.
And what?
We're just walking into the park.
Also, make sure you guys follow my TikTok, Jose Sings 710, I think. Or it might be just Jose Sings, but here, it's right here. Cuando tu hermano quiere ser youtuber pero no lo deja. Suscríbanse. Péguenle a la campana.
Subscribe down here.
Oh my god. They never miss. Alright, I'm gonna end the video now. Thanks for watching. If you stayed to the end, hit that like button, and I love you guys, I guess.
Subscribe.
Bro.